Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Yesterday I posted a story in my Instagram where I asked you guys to DM me your favorite hairstyles that you would like me to recreate, and many of you have DM'd me some amazing hairstyles. I am going to make a tutorial on each one of them. Today's hairstyle will be this, and I think Khushi, you sent me this hairstyle and it's pretty interesting. Love the hairstyle. And basically we are going to make these two little cute Dutch braid, and let's start. Hairstyle, you need like a middle part. I already have a middle part, and then you have to make a side part to separate the hair. Okay, I'm gonna start with this side, so I am going to separate the hair like this and tie this hair with like a curler so that it does not come to this side of the braid. Okay, you go back. Bye. Okay, now from here you have to make another part just to separate the hair. Let's see. Okay, I want the part like here. So slowly you need a comb like this and just go straight, okay, with the comb like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, then you have to separate the hair. Then you will have a part. Okay, my hair is stuck. Ah! Just separate the hair, you will get a clean line. Basically go like this and then just separate the hair. Okay, wait, I have to go on. So once you have this proper part, then you just take the hair, this section of hair, and put it like on this side. Ow, 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 ow. Make sure that you have no knots in your hair, otherwise you'll face a lot of trouble. Just the idea. So put the hair like this, and then basically take this part and secure it with a garter, because we are not going to use this like in the braid. This needs to go. Today also we have no sunlight. We have, but very little. It's like a hide and seek game. I'm so annoyed with this lighting. Okay, so now you have this section of hair to braid. Okay, it's a bit weird. Okay, so this is the section of hair that you will use for braiding your hair. So now comes the most important part. Make sure that this hair has no knots, like zero knots. There should be like no knots. And use some serum if you think your hair gets like really frizzy. Mine is like okay, so this will do. Make sure that you have no knots, otherwise it will be a bit difficult. And then what you have to do is that put the hair at the back like this, okay? And then you will start Dutch braiding the hair. A very important part of Dutch braid is that the side strands will always come under the middle strand. So basically start with like 3 strands. It's a bit complicated, okay? Getting anxiety, it's okay, we can do it. I need to sneeze. Why is it so complicated? Okay, basically when you have like these 3 strands, make a regular loop. Okay, regular loop. It's a bit complicated. Okay, no, I'm not gonna cry. So after the first loop is done, basically you have to take hair from this side, like see this side, and add it to the side strands. Add hair to the side strand. I've added to the right strand, and then hold the middle strand like this, and then also add hair to this this strand. So you will add hair to the side strands basically. So after you have added hair to both the strands, like the left and the right, then you will take this strand and put it under the middle strand. Okay, hold this and also bring this under the middle strand. Okay, so basically in Dutch braid you will add hair to the side strand. See, that's the way I am adding hair to the side strand. Hold the middle strand, then also add hair to this side strand. It's a bit complicated because I don't have a mirror. I'm just so confused. Anyways, so after you have added hair to both the side strands, you will bring the side strands under the middle strand. See, this is the middle. Now the side strand is becoming the middle strand. So hold the middle strand and bring this under the middle strand. Okay, my hand hurts. Okay, so adding hair to the side strand. See, I'm adding hair to the side strand, also to this side strand. Okay, can't find my hair. that is my, okay, adding here, and then bringing the side strands under the middle strand. Basically, that's it. I hope you guys understand what am I doing. So adding here to the side strands and bringing it under the middle strand. So after you're done with that, you have to tie your hair with a garter, which I don't have right now. You have to like tie a garter at the end just to secure the braid. Wait. I hate these garters. It's just so bad for my hair, but I don't have. Okay, what is that? Okay, basically now you just have to pull the braids and make it like fluffy and big like this, just the way I am. Braids are done. The only problem is that I have like lots of bangs at the front framing pieces, and like they are like coming out, and I need hair gel for that. I don't have it, and that's the reason why some of them are looking so bumpy, because those hair are like short and I have literally forced them inside the braids. They are not to be like, they are not meant to be like inside the braid, so they are like trying to come out. Another problem is that she has like really beautiful highlights in her hair, and mine one is just like plain, so you can't really see the highlights. However, I'm just gonna complete the look by curling my hair like at the front with a straightener, and let's see. So basically, I'm just gonna start curling my hair. Face framing curls. Take your straightener like this. Oh, that's like a different tutorial. How to curl your hair with a straightener. So hold it like this and twisty, twisty, twisty. See my sunglasses? Sunglasses? See my glasses, not sunglasses. My glasses are weird. That will not work. Did that work? No. Okay, that will do. Today's video. Khushi, I hope you liked the video. I hope you actually liked the video, and yeah, rest of you, I will be making your hairstyles, favorite hairstyles very soon. So yeah, and like you can DM me more hairstyles, and yeah, that's it for today's video. I will link down my other hairstyle videos and also my DIYs. Do check them out, and don't forget to subscribe. I mean, please subscribe and like the video, share the video, enjoy the video, whatever. Just go. Today's Sunday. Have fun with your family. Stay safe, and bye.